welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is another spring Easter DIY. This is so easy and it's coming from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You're going to need one of these little crosses that's crafter square from the Dollar Tree, and it stands up like on this little pedestal, and you might see Maggie running around. And then some wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree, okay? And then a foam brush. And then I'm going to be using this Waverly Chalk paint in mineral. I got this at Walmart. And then the Cashew Waverly Chalk paint. And then the Hazelnut. I love all three colors. And then I just have these rocks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I've had them quite a while. And you'll need a paper plate, some brushes for dry brushing, and something to cut your craft dowels with. I just use this pair of Klein pliers that I have to cut mine, and you'll need a glue gun. So let me get everything situated and I'll be back. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is just open this Waverly Chalk paint in Hazelnut, and then I'm going to just paint this cross with this color all over. So I know you know what I'm doing. I'm going to paint the front, the back, and the sides and the base. So when I get finished, I'll be right back. Okay, I've painted the cross all around with that Hazelnut chalk paint. I really love how that turned out. And then I just painted the dowels the same color. Okay, I'm just going to take some of this Waverly Chalk paint in mineral. I thought I had a smaller one that was open, so I'm going to use it. And I'm just going to dry brush some of the mineral over this, okay? So I'm going to pour out just a little bit of this, because you don't need a lot. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some of this, get a lot of it off, and then just come straight down through here and just dry brush it. And that's the effect we're getting. It just looks older. And Maggie is doing great. She's into everything. She is rotten to the core. She's really sweet. She's doing better. I don't have to get up as often to take her out, which is great, but you still have to watch her like a hawk. You really can't trust that she's not going to try to do anything. So far we've been very fortunate, but I keep an eye on her a lot. And I'm coming down and getting the edges. And just do it until you like it. Here's what this looks like. It just depends on how much you want on it, how little you want on it. It's totally up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to just go ahead. What I did is I just took these dowels, and you can see how long they are. I went ahead and left two of them the full length that they are, okay? Just like that. And I'm going to glue them right on here. And I need my little finger protectors. I forgot them. I'll have to be really careful. And just put it flush down here. Try to get it in the center as best you can. And then just press down. This is going to give this so much more dimension. Okay? Then we're going to take this other one. Do the same principle, come down through here and glue it. You could paint this different color if you wanted, but I wanted it very natural. Then we're going to take this butt it up right against there and push it down till we have like that. Then we're going to take this little one that I cut off, because I cut this one off, and I'm just going to stick it right here. And Maggie's wanting to play. I just took her outside. She was crying. I took her outside. She used the bathroom, but then she decided she wanted to play. She wants me to chase her. Okay, so that is what we're getting. I love it. Now what I want to do is go over right through here where I just put the dowels on here with this paint. Just hit it with some of that. Kind of just take it and pull it across. What are you doing, little girl? Okay, and that's what we're getting so far. Then I think I'm going to take this Cashew chalk paint and pour just a little bit out. Or maybe just stick my brush in there and get some. And just kind of dab it off, and I'm not even cleaning my brush. It doesn't matter to me. We're just going to come down through here just like this. Now remember to do both sides and get around your edges. Okay, and that's what we're getting so far. I think that's so pretty. We're going to do the same thing to the back. Okay, so what I want to do now is take these stones from the Dollar Tree, and they're just different colors, different sizes, and just start gluing them around through here. It doesn't really matter how you do it. Just put it on there. Just mix up your colors and just make you a base. Okay, and we're going to have all different colors, so I know you know what I'm doing. So for time purposes, let me put a couple more on here. But this will give you a feel. I know you know what I'm doing, so I'm going to cover this entire base with those stones, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, here it is. I love how this turned out. It is so pretty. You can see the stones all the way around. It's pretty from both sides. You could drape some really pretty fabric around through here if you wanted, or you can leave it plain. I'm just going to leave it like this. This would be beautiful year-round, not just for Easter or spring. I'm going to leave mine out year-round. I love it. But it's such an easy, very inexpensive DIY coming from the Dollar Tree, except the paint. So I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.